Suno put out a post on a couple of platforms that I addressed, but I'm not sure that everybody got to see it. So I want to talk about it real quick here for a second. Let's cut to it. So if we take a look at Suno's post on LinkedIn, you can read it. It says, lots of people think we changed the ownership terms in our terms of service. Update, we didn't. In November, we made a small change to include Suno Chat, but ownership terms weren't changed at all. Don't believe the hype. That's pretty much what I said all along. I told you it was hype, people trying to get clicks, sensationalizing nothing. And at the end of the day, it's extremely clear going to their post. So if you read it, we recently made an update to our knowledge base FAQ, and it didn't clearly describe ownership on our platform. We appreciate that so many of you picked up on this and that you care so deeply. So we want to clarify, you do own the output you make in the Pro and Premier plans, and you are granted commercial rights to use those outputs. So I know for a lot of people, that clarity may not have been there. So there was a little bit of confusion, but I'm hoping that now Suno has put this out. Those of you who will feel a little bit restless, I understand, but when you understand how these companies think or how they should think, it just wouldn't make sense for them to have done that. Okay, so going back to this thing from Suno, as you can see here, you own what you create under this Pro and Premier plans. For the free plan, Suno is the owner of the outputs you create. So people who own the free plan, or people who are on the free plan, I advise you to, if you really want to use your stuff commercially, just go to a paid plan. Go to paid plan. All right, now going beyond that, it's just greetings as usual. Just wanted to say hi to everyone and see how you're doing and find out what's new. States. It's extremely early for me. This is 5:15 in the morning, so I cannot be too loud. So excuse my pretty monotone, calm demeanor. Yeah, but you're right. Suno is very good for songwriters. Yeah. I found some of these rather interesting. I'm wondering if you can quickly check to see if my music catalog was used to train your model. It sits under Universal Publishing. Universal owns so much stuff. If I understand correctly, I can use what I create commercially, only as long as I have a subscription, a paid subscription. Marius says, I haven't found the alleged clauses anywhere. That's what I said all along. Commercial use of Suno output isn't a right. It's a risk transfer. You may be told you own what you generate, but without clean training provenance. And that's exactly what I said. So this guy, Andrew, is getting it. When you're told you own it, okay, but owning is not the same as copyright. And even if for a moment in time you own it and you own the copyright, that doesn't change the fact that you can still be prosecuted if it's if it's underhanded material. So anyway, interesting thoughts in this their LinkedIn post. But let's come back to our members and see if there's anything in the chat.